In this video, I'll show you how to close an account on Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so according to Cash App, they complies with the California Consumer Privacy Act, which is the CCPA, and provides all customers with certain options to control their personal data. Now, the reason this is very important because California customers have certain rights over their personal information, which is subject to exceptions the law provides, such as the right to access their personal information, the right to delete their personal information, and the right to opt out of the sale, right? Because Cash App does not sell the customer's personal information, all right? Now, Cash App extends the option to access and delete personal information to all customers. To access and download a copy of your personal information before you think of closing your account, you might want to sign into your account at cash.app/account from a web browser, all right? Click Settings, click Download Your Info under Your Info tab, click Activity to view your complete payment history, and click Statements. Now, you need to export to download your transaction history. So this is very important for you to have a backup data in case you are decided to close your account here on Cash App. Now, if you'd like to permanently delete your account and personal information from Cash App, simply tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, select Support, select something else, navigate to Account Settings, and select Delete Your Personal Information and tap Contact Support. Once again, tap the profile icon, hover down to Support. Either you click on something else, tell them your situation, you wanted to close your account in Cash App, or just simply start a chat with a customer representative and tell them your situation that you wanted to close your account on Cash App, or you are having problems closing your account here on Cash App. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.